Guys, Ron here. So you know I've had these little cases, these little mini ITX and micro. This is a micro ITX. And if you remember, looking from my old videos, I had that little guy over there I wanted to do. He's a mini ITX, too big. This board is too big for that. So I finally threw together enough stuff to throw this this ITX together, put this case together. So we're going to build this little machine today. It's going to be a super budget $39.95, $39.50 Intel chip. I think a $54 board and some DDR4. And it should turn out to be a nice little system. It's got all the features. It's got USB 3. It's got a HDMI out on board. Microsoft supported graphics. So we'll get to it. Alright guys, this should be fun. This has I already got a little power supply in there already. So let's get to it. Alright, we'll be back. So what I'm thinking is we'll drop the CPU and the fan in there. Got to put a couple more studs in the bottom of that, standoffs. We'll load up the motherboard, power it up, get the power connections all in there, and see if we can get it as to post. Alright, so stay tuned. Over the numbers, the motherboard was like $54. This chip was a $39.50. It was $39 wholesale. Memory is 2 4GB, good speed, $93. RAM is crazy. She's talking 100, 140, 50, 180. And this case I bought for 20 bucks off a guy with the power supply in it. So you're talking a $200 machine possibly. And it'll be a good machine. That's not bad. It's good for home entertainment, you know, internet surfing, basic, all your good stuff. Even some gaming wouldn't be a problem. All right, so we're talking about a sub $200, all new, all brand new stuff. All right, guys. So it's got you know, stand off there, stand off there, stand off there, and a stand off there. It needs one there. You see, there's one on the inside. It's missing one somewhere. Where was it? Standoffs there. We'll have to see. It's definitely missing, I think, one, maybe two. So I'm gonna take care of that now. I'm gonna need two standoffs. One there, right next to that one, and one there next to that one, and that'll give us the correct amount of standoffs. And I'm gonna throw the I/O shield in now. All right, so out for now. All right, guys. So we got HD audio hooked up. We got USB 3, USB 2, 24-pin, and 4-pin CPU. I'm not gonna hook up any I/O or anything. I'm just gonna power it up, see if it posts. I gotta hook up the front panel connectors, the power switch, LED, HDD lights, and all that stuff. And then we'll see if she posts. I don't know if I mentioned it, but this is a motherboard's a 110 chipset. It's an 1151 Intel socket. So I gotta get out the paperwork, look for where these connectors go, and we're gonna do that next. Okay, guys, we'll be back. All right, guys, this is up and running. Dead silent, by the way. Nice little teeny little package, I gotta say. I put a dongle in there for a mouse and HDMI out. It's posted up over there, no problem. Pretty good. Nice little machine. This thing's gonna be cool. Top fan's working. Gotta add another fan. Sweet. All right, I'm gonna run through the BIOS, see what's going on, and go from there. All right. So there's easy mode. Check it out. Give you information on the system, CPU, temperature, fan speed, energy saving, etc., etc., etc. I got no SATA hooked up, no hard drives, no SSDs, no Windows. I'm gonna do that next. So she's all done. Total time probably 40 minutes, if that much. So it's a nice little. That thing is small, sweet. Makes a nice little system. So guys, here's the whole thing put together. It's about the spread of my thumb to pinky spread as far as. Let me see if I can show you guys. Yeah, like I said, about 40 minutes total time. Nice put together. No problem. my pinky to thumb spread is 9 inches, so it's about 10 inches by 18 by 3.5. It's a nice little form factor. HDMI out, USB 3, room for, it's actually got a card reader slot and a connector for it. And there she is. Alright guys, so that was a quick fun build. I like the small stuff, it's nice. Grab it with one hand, throw it in the car or whatever you're going to do. Alright, see you guys later. Ciao for now.